Hello YouTube, and welcome to the days of our lives at the Thin Blue Lane. We told you all about our hitch. We got a new one. There it is. And guess what? It broke again.
Same piece broke.
It was the same piece. And what is going on with this is that we couldn't get it to stay locked or unlocked. So we are trying to figure out how to do that, and I think we just did with a little Mexi rigging, a handy dandy screwdriver. Now let me show you guys how this works. Right there, that's where this little peg goes that releases the pin. So now this is what our problem was. All right, Captain, go ahead and pull the lever. Now let go. It doesn't stay open, so that is our dilemma. But now we found a way where we can rig this and still be able to hitch up until we can get this done. So let me show you guys what we did. Okay, let go. Okay, now we're unhitched. I mean, unlocked. Okay. Hi guys, this is awkward position. So anyways, what I have to do is use this screwdriver to engage the mechanism, and when it comes around I have to lift the little part so it hooks up and we're good to go. So we're still having trouble, but like we always do, assess, adapt, and overcome. So you get to follow along and see what happens next. So
keep this in mind, the latch is what closes it, not what opens it. If it opened it, that would be a problem. If it's already closed, we don't need to worry about the broken latch, and therefore the trailer won't come off and slide down the highway. Once this thing here is locked, there's a little lip right there at the bottom that's going to keep this from sliding back out. It would require someone with force to pull this out and make the trailer fall off and slide down the highway. So the default position is closed. That's a good thing. If the default position was open and it snapped open, that would be a problem.
The other problem that we had, I don't remember if we told the viewers, we had to change our battery because when we pulled to the campground, it was late, we was tired. Katie had to sleep in the hallway with some blankets because we couldn't get the slides out and we had no light. So we came out, changed the battery, and I got an electrical burn at the wrench metal, and when I was trying to tighten it, I accidentally dropped it and it touched the other port, and I had my wedding ring on, so the electricity went from the bottom to the top. And now I'm gonna hop out of here before this might fall on my head.
Hi everybody, today Buddy and I are going to repair this hitch. This is the old one. This is the mechanism that broke. This is the new one. This is 40 pounds, and shipping on this alone was $260. Here's the new one. Look at all those shiny lubricated parts.
Oh, so that's how the peg goes.
That piece broke off. That's this piece right here. And what that does is when the pin comes in, it pushes this, releases that. This spring is doing its job on this one. See how it springs back? Yeah, if you can move that box. And we're repaired.
There's one. Okay, but thank you for fixing it.
Well, we're ready to go again. Get back on the road.
So what's the next plan?
We need to get to North Carolina by the 15th.
Yes, we do.
We're running out of time. We keep having setback after setback.
Well, there it goes, our old hitch.
Keep in mind, this thing was 5 years old. The truck was 5 years old. The rig was 5 years old, practically before we even started. So there's a lot of things that are going to have to be fixed. And hopefully none of those things will have to be fixed again, so we're good. I mean, I expected that. That's why I brought an emergency fund, a sufficient one, to handle this type of stuff. So, I mean, that's why I'm not getting bent out of shape about it. I expected it. I would have paid off this truck, but I thought I'd leave that money in the bank too for emergencies, and it turned out to be a really good idea.
Yeah.